Okay, on to this issue. That's what the new one looks like. That's what the old one looks like. And I have yet to try and get these two clips loose. Which is not going to be easy with the camera in my face. So hang on, let me get this thing unplugged. Okay, this is how I got it. I got one screwdriver underneath, a little short stubby one, and one on top. Alright, let me get that off. Okay, so it's the plug. Looks like it matches, so that's good. So now we're going to take, this is T15. So T15 is going to go on there. So it should go on there. Yep. Okay, T15, and then we're going to unscrew that and take it off. Okay, for those that don't know, there's a reason the end of your screwdriver is shaped like that. This one is a 13/16 wrench fits on there, and hopefully it turns the screw. I didn't have enough strength to do it without the wrench, but now it's coming off. So anyway, that's your tip for the day. Yep, now we got it. Just that initial bit was stuck. Okay, we got one more on the bottom. I'll tell you, I am chewing my fingers up. Okay, so when I released those screws, it immediately turned. Alright, so it looks like there's only one way it can go on. So I guess I'm gonna put it on the way it was and give it a little turn. And then I'm going to put those screws back in. I'm going to do some testing. Okay, one thing I am noticing here is that the holes are a lot different size, a lot smaller than the screws are a lot smaller than the holes. There we go. So that must be the adjustment right there. So next, I got the book. Next I got to put that plug back on, turn the key on, stuff a probe in there and try and get to 1.2 volts at idle and wide open 4.5. And it should be smooth the whole way. Alright, we'll give it a try. Okay, now I have 1.5 at idle. So it looks like I'm going to have to monkey with this big bracket, as I can go from 1.5 to 1.7. I'm supposed to be at 1.2. And if I go to full throttle, I get 4.1. Okay. Point 2. Don't tell me this thing's defective. I swear this China crap. I can go real slow, see what happens. Well, this is exactly what the other one was doing. I don't have a dead spot in the middle. It's making me wonder if this is not... wonder if there's anything wrong with that one. Do some thinking. Okay, so as you can see, this one, there's another one back there. Loosen those up, and I've got 1.2 at idle. But when I go to full throttle, I have 3.6, not 4.5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that one back on, see if I get a different result. Oh, and live and learn, right? It's easier to take the clips off after you remove the device. Okay, maybe somebody can help me figure this out. I've got roughly 1.2 at idle, and at full throttle 364, not 4.5. So do I want the 364? You know, wait a minute. That heater's going. Let me disconnect all this crap. Okay, let's see what we got now without the heater going. 364. I feel it. IP's getting warm under my hand here. 363, that's not 4.5. What is going on here? Yeah, I'm tweaking that a little bit to get it to 1.2. Alright, we're locked down hard now. Everything's tight. I still have 1.205 at idle. 368. Not 4.5 like the book says. So, who knows the answer to this riddle? I assume the 1.2 is the important part. It says it should be smooth, so let me... Now this is the original one again that we thought had a dead spot. And if I go real slow, it appears that my meter was the problem. Oh, let me try that again. I get a little carried away pushing. And that's it. That's as far as it goes. Well, I don't know what to say. If somebody has the answer, I'm all ears. Put it in the comments. Well, at least we got the base where it needs to be. And double check the brakes and maybe take it for a ride.